Introducing the MTT02-25 Torque Tester, a compact and rugged solution for testing manual, electric, and pneumatic torque screwdrivers, wrenches, and other tools. With its universal 3/8-inch square receptacle, the MTT02-25 can accept common bits and attachments, making it suitable for various applications. This torque tester captures peak torque in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, providing comprehensive testing capabilities. Its high-speed sampling rate of 7,000 Hz ensures accurate and reliable test results. The MTT02-25 includes a memory storage capacity for up to 1,000 readings, allowing for easy data storage and analysis. It also features statistical calculations and output options. With multiple output options, including USB, RS-232, Mitutoyo, and analog outputs, the MTT02-25 can integrate with various data acquisition systems. The MTT02-25 Torque Tester has a torque range of 2.525 nlb, an accuracy of 0.3% of full scale, and weighs only 5.8 lb, 2.6 kg. It comes with a 1/4-inch hex to 3/8 square adapter, universal voltage AC adapter, battery, quick start guide, USB cable, resource CD, and NIST traceable certificate of calibration. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the MTT02-25 Torque Tester. Its simple and accurate design, combined with advanced features, make it an indispensable tool for testing manual, electric, and pneumatic torque tools. Invest in the MTT02-25 and experience precise and reliable torque testing in your production environment.